What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This right here in front of me is a desktop gaming memory module RAM. What does that mean? Where the CPU temporarily stores data and game assets it needs to access quickly during gameplay. This includes stuff like game textures, models, and other assets that are used for allowing smooth, responsive gaming with minimal delays. The more RAM gives you more room for these assets and background tasks, preventing the system from slowing down by needing to repeatedly access slower term storage. Okay, you guys got that? All right, I'm gonna go install these two in my PC, and you guys are gonna come with me. All right, so now that we got the computer open, if you guys want to see how I took this thing apart, you guys can check out my other video that I had made putting the new GPU in. First things we're gonna do is we're gonna push these tabs up. Let's try this again. Top's on there, bottom's on there. Give it a nice little push, not too tight. Ooh. Ooh, you seen that? You heard that? Did you guys hear that? It made a clicking sound. That means it's locked in. All right. I can give that one a little pull. That's not going anywhere. And the other one's a little bit concerning for me, because the way this system is built does not look like it'll fit the other one. But guess what? It's gonna work. Do you know why? I really have no rhyme or reason. I have no reason why it's gonna work. It's just gonna work. That's because I'm making a video for you guys, and you guys are gonna see it work. So for this one here, since it's like in the corner, we're gonna have to take this piece out. It's like a little clip that unclips. It's a little piece that unclips. All right, that's out. I'm actually gonna move it out the way because it's definitely in the way. The people that built this wasn't. Then again, I know what you're thinking. They didn't build it to do things like this, disciple. Probably didn't, but guess what? Computers are made to, they clearly built this with access so that you can install certain components in here. Now for this here, I'm gonna use these tweezers. Pull this out, move it to the side a little bit, because I gotta fit this in there. I believe this is the motherboard. They should have made this. I know they have computers with the motherboard. It's a lot wider and more accessible. You can put more things in certain areas. I don't have to struggle like this. Down the line, I'm gonna progress in what I'm trying to do here for y'all and for myself. Come on, baby. Okay. None of the wires are pinched. That was the main thing. This one was the hardest thing because the prongs are really tiny, and if it snapped, I'm screwed. This one's another one. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab these little tweezer looking like things. And then, if you guys hear screaming in the background, I got Jaws on TV. That's on. That's on. Just wanna make sure. Oh boy. That was nerve-wracking. That's how you install the memory mods, the memory modules. Now let's plug this in and let's see this light up. There you have it. They're working well. Took me a while to install it, but I got them in. I'll be getting the other two, and I'll probably do another tutorial on how to get the other two on there, or you guys can just go back for references on this video. You guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Peace.